In driving education, trust, positive communication, and mental health awareness are paramount. Building trust, educating both students and parents promotes safe, confident driving and mental health.
Build that rapport. You build that
Yes.
rapport with them. They've gotten comfortable. Now, I've been in the car with you, seen all the action, and let me tell you, that is probably the most comfortable driving I've ever seen done by, by my cousin. But you
I've
create a
been in the
self
back
environment.
before.
Go.
I've taught other instructors. And
Hmm.
to be in the back, you have no control. You have no brake. You have no gas. And if they make a wrong turn, you're like, I mean, you are like, are we gonna live today? But I have to, like, right, I have to stay grounded. I had a young
Hmm.
man yesterday almost go off the road to the left because he kept staring at the speedometer. And I
Yeah.
said, don't stare. He kept looking at it.
Mm.
And then we almost went off the road to the left. So
Ugh.
instead of panicking and ripping his heart out, I said,
Yeah.
listen, you got to be careful. Please don't
Hmm.
injure your instructor. So I
Hmm.
think you got to care more about other people.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
and I'm a car enthusiast and I'm not immune because if you teach drivers ed long enough, you will have near misses.
Hmm.
Cars almost pulling out on you, cars running lights, the kids not checking blind spots, going too fast.
Hmm.
But you have to stay in like a zen,
Yeah.
safe, alert. Go ahead.
Well, you said something, and I was like, you're not, you are absolutely right, but you also allow for parents to
Mm.
ride with you. Okay. And I know I witnessed firsthand the from the back seat, right? And
Yeah.
so, and I've witnessed how well you coach parents while you're also coaching their child. How do you, and phenomenal, by the way, but how do you balance that? Because you do a very good job of not saying, don't do that, as opposed, what you do say is keep your hands on the wheel, check your speed, check your, you let them know what to do, which as a parent, and I'll even a therapist, I'm quick, don't you do, 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 and that is going to make a child do what it is you don't want them to do. So how do you maintain that energy, that positivity, and that coaching throughout those driving sessions?
Well, what I'm doing right now, I'm in the kitchen. I'm looking at my graduation picture from college, and I'll bring that up. I'm looking at a picture of my son and daughter. It's just who I am. You really have to put yourself into that teen, that adult,
Mm.
that parent. I think it's eye-opening from parents, and you had a first-hand perspective, and that's going to help you with your son and daughter. You learn from me, and whenever you're ready to take your son and daughter to that point, you know what to ask the instructor. You're going to look in that side that, look, I was taught to go talk to the parents. The vice president of the company said, go talk to the parents, build a relationship, say hi, tell them what they did right, tell them what they did wrong. Parents are hyper protective today, Life 360 app. And I
Mm-hmm.
think there's no hiding in a car. The car will show you whether you understand, the car will
Right.
show you truth, the car will show you failure, the car will show you
Mm-hmm.
frustration, the car will
Mm-hmm.
show superior knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and I think being honest with a parent, I wish more parents would come in on the beginning, maybe the
Mm-hmm.
third, maybe the last. But to be honest, parents don't have the time. They don't want to come in. They say,
Yeah.
no, that's your job.
Yeah.
Do you take Xanax? Are you on medication? Do you drink? Do you smoke? No, no, and no. I'm happy on life.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm chilled. From learning from you, I protect my boundaries.
Yeah.
This is my off time right now. I can decompress. I can relax. No, I don't come home and say, this kid almost killed me, smoke,
Mm-hmm.
drink. No, I think just putting yourself, my job is to make the next generation teens and adults not scared to drive. There are
Yeah.
a lot of people out here who say negative things on social media and they're really selfish and into themselves. And you got to have thick skin. You're on social media, I'm on social media, you'll get 10 positive comments, one negative
Right.
comment, and that will
Right.
kind of throw you off. I think just educating the parent, don't overreact, don't grab something,
Yeah.
don't scream, because if you scream, they're going to
Mm.
stop. Instead of
Yeah.
saying, hit the brake,
Mm-hmm.
squeeze the brake.
Mm-hmm.
I really think there's an opportunity to educate parents in that mental health aspect of teaching their son and daughter.
Mm-hmm.
There's not a company out there, and you and I can investigate this further. Well, we can do a consultation call. We'll talk about that. But I think more parents need to be educated in their son and daughter's driving to
Mhm.
teach them the right way, because if I get a ticket, get into an accident, I will lose my certification. So I walk it like I talk it.
Right.
I
Right.
hope I answered your question. Let me throw another question at you.